Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. So today our topic is what is cryptocurrency. As we all know nowadays crypto is very famous. Today we are going to check in detail what is this, how we can invest, what is Bitcoin. So let's start with what is cryptocurrency and why is it interested. However, in 2021, we want revitalize cryptocurrency as a way of boosting our resources. The pandemic saw our financial reserves hit hard while the urgency of our work increased. Like any small charity, we rely on regular donations to keep our work taking over, and with income from trusts and foundations as well as the FCDO becoming less certain, we are looking to cryptocurrency to expand our reserves. Cryptocurrency is a currency that exists entirely in the digital sphere, and Seed has set up dedicated cryptocurrency wallets in order to accept donations in this way. In this blog, we want to share a little more about what cryptocurrency really is, why we have decided to accept it, and how it can benefit charitable organizations like ours. So let's start with the introduction. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is essentially a digital only currency that can be used just like money in exchange for goods or services. It does not exist in a physical form or does not pass through any kind of banking corporation or system. This is defined as a decentralized system which is run on technology called blockchain. Blockchain works on a network of computers that manage and record each transaction. This technology means that the system is neutral and extremely secure. There are now over 6,000 individual cryptocurrencies, but the largest and the longest standing coins include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. More recently, new alternative coins like Dogecoin, Polkadot, and Cosmos have gained in popularity. Why do people have cryptocurrency? One of the biggest draws for many people holding cryptocurrency is the potential for its value to increase. As recently seen with Bitcoin, the purchase price of which was 66.40 per pound when it began in 2023 is now worth 37,170 per pound. For the early adopters of Bitcoin who possibly purchased multiple coins at the time, there's now huge value in the coins they still have. Some supporters, on the other hand, like the idea of removing central banks from managing a money supply, particularly as over time banks reduce the value of money through inflation. These supporters buy into cryptocurrency to increase the demand, innovation, and adoption of this type of currency to encourage its future use. Other supporters use the safe, low-cost transactional methods of cryptocurrency to manage money transfers. For example, a person may be working in the UK but sending some of their earnings to family members in a different country every month. Doing this via the banking system can take several days and pass through many organizations that each charge a fee for both processing and currency exchange. With crypto, there are still fees, but this is usually a one off fee at a much lower rate, and the transfer through the blockchain network is almost instantaneous. Why do people donate cryptocurrency? Global cryptocurrency is currently worth around $200 billion, and with the dramatic value increase of Bitcoin, which holds around 65% of that $200 billion, you can see how many individuals now have what is essentially free money. Many of us say that if we won the lottery, at least one of the things we would spend the money on would be kind of charitable initiative. Whether it's helping the homeless or building an orphanage for elephants, with free money comes goodwill, and this gives charities a chance to benefit. Humans are innately generous beings, and when those of us who come into good fortune, we often like to share it with those who are less fortunate. With the great increase in free money also came tax. Like with normal financial assets, cryptocurrency is considered taxable by the government and you must declare it. Although, also like earnings, there are caps on how much is taxed. If a person holding cryptocurrency suddenly sees a boost in the market value, then may want to donate funds to allow charities to benefit instead of paying tax to the government. Each country's government will have guidance on how to go about this and what asset will be liable for tax on their website. Cryptocurrency being subject to taxes means that donating to charity becomes an option that's mutually beneficial for donor and receiving organizations. How can cryptocurrency be donated to us? Cryptocurrency can be donated directly to Seed's cryptocurrency wallet on Coinbase or to our specific project pages on platforms such as HelperBit. We are currently accepting donations of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, USD Coin, and DAI. Upon receiving the donation, it is exchanged into GBP so that we are not hedging any donated funds. Hope you guys like my video. If you really like it and find it some informative, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. I will come to you again with another informative video soon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.